Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain benefit of translate surface. So left side you can see the offset surface and right side offset surface with translate surface. So when we use offset surface you can have only sharp edge, whereas when we use translate surface during offset we get smooth surface. So I am going to show you how this happens. See, if I use only simply offset, it creates this kind of sharp edge. See here, when I use translate surface, it becomes very smooth surface. So I am going to explain in details. Let's start now. See, I have created a simple extruded boss with 400 mm. See here. So this is 500 mm height. I have created a surface using spline. This is the surface. So now I am going to create one more extruded boss. So we have to go to this sketch, select this sketch, select. So we have to convert this outer edge into circle. See, this is the convert entity. See, this is the sketch I have created. Go to feature, extruded boss. See, if I simply keep the blind option with 100 mm, and going to increase, see here, slowly. So it is around 260. Now with the reference with the surface I want to remove this top side material. So in generally what we do is we will go to surface module and select this face and we offset this material, this surface. So I am taking 100 mm for example. See, for better visibility I am changing the color. See here. So I am going to increase further. See here. Now I am going to hide this surface. So I am going to remove this material, cut with surface. See here. Now I am going to hide the other surface. See, there is no smooth transition in the surface. See, there is a sharp edge. See here, there is a sharp edge.
as I shown in the image. So I am going to suppress this and show this surface and this one. Now instead of extruded boss with certain distance, I am going to change some options. So instead of blind, I am going to take offset from this surface, for example, and this is 100, see here, and say OK. See, it is exactly matching the offset surface, so we are getting the same result. Of cut with the surface. So during product design or product development or reverse engineering, smooth transition is required on the top surface. So what we have to do is, we have to go to edit mode once again, and we have to keep offset from surface as it is and same distance. Instead of that, we have to use translate surface. We have to select this translate surface. See here, there is a smooth surface like I shown in the image. It's a smooth surface. See. Now I am going to hide this surface. See, there is a smooth transition. See, I am going to show you in the reference model. See how it's going to change. I'm going to hide this surface. See both the configurations. This is the simple offset, and this is with translate surface. There is a smooth transition. See here, there is a sharp edge. So aesthetically this is not preferable, so that's why we have to use translate surface. Similarly, we can use reverse offset. See here, it is creating in the opposite direction. See, when I uncheck this, see, so there is a smooth transition. So we can use in either ways. So this is the one of the benefit of using translate surface in extruded boss. Thanks for watching.